Good morning to one and all. I am here to explain about basic electronics. We know that in basic electronics the important topics are gates. Okay. The gate, it is an electronic. The definition of gate is defined as it is a electronic circuit which has number of inputs but only one output. Okay, is this clear? The gate is electronic circuit which has more number of inputs and have only one output. The gates are classified. First one, basic gates, universal gates and special gates. Okay, the basic gates are AND, OR and NOT. Okay, and this universal gates are NAND and NOR. Special gates are XOR, XNOR. Okay, now we are going to explain about basic gates. Basic gates, first one is AND gate. Now we are going to see what is its basic symbol and structure and the truth table. The symbol of AND gate is this. We take any number of inputs, but here we have take only two inputs and one is output. This is the symbol of AND gate. Okay, and next, truth table. A, B, these are inputs, Y, output. When we take input as 0, 0, it is 0 because AND gate is a multiplication process. We know that anything is multiplied with 0, then the output is 0. We take A input as 0 and B as 1, then the output is 0. And A is 1 and B is 0, then the output is 0. If we take A is 1 and B is 1, the output is 1. So, the definition from the truth table is, if all the inputs of AND gate is high, means 1, then the output is high. Now let me take another gate. Example is, for example, OR gate. This is the second basic gate and this is the OR gate. The OR gate, the symbol of OR gate is this, A, B and output Y. This symbol. The truth table, A, B, Y. For example, this OR gate is a addition operation. Okay. If we take A is 0, B is 0, then the output is A plus 0 is equals to 0. If we take A is 0, B as 1, 0 plus 1, 1. If we take A is 1, B is 0, 1 plus 0, 1. If we take A is 1 and B is 1, then the output is 1. Here we don't neglect any carry. The output is 1. From the truth table, the definition is, if any one of the input is high, then the output is high. Okay. Then we next go to another gate, that is NOT gate. NOT gate, also called as inverter. Inverter means the symbol of inverter is this. Input is A, output is equals to A bar. Okay. So if we give input as 0, then the output is 1. If we give input is 1, the output is 0. It means the input is complemented. The truth table is A. If we give input A equals to 0, output is 1. 1 if we give 1 as input, then the output is 0. Inverted means if we give A, then the output is A bar. If we give A bar, then the output is A. And we go for next, universal gates. Universal gates. First one, NAND gate. NAND gate means it is combination of AND gate and NOT gate. We know that the formula for AND gate is equals to A into B. The NOT gate is Y equals to A bar. Okay. Now AND plus NOT is equals to NAND. The symbol of NAND gate is here. The bubble indicates the complement of AND gate. Here the bubble indicates complement. So the truth table of NAND gate, A, B, Y. Okay. If we give inputs as 0, 0, the output is 1. 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 1. Sorry. 1, 0, 1. 1, 1, 0. This is the reverse operation of AND gate. This bubble indicates the complement of AND gate, NAND. And next we go for second universal gate is NOR gate. Here NOR gate is the combination of OR gate and NOT gate. We know that OR gate formula is A plus B and this is complement. Means if input is A, output is equals to A bar. So NOR gate symbol is and this is the reverse operation of OR gate. In OR gate, if we give any one of the input is 1, then the output is high. But in NOR gate, it is reverse, because we added here one bubble, means it is a NOT gate. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, then 0 0 means 0, but it is we added here NOT gate, means it is inverted, means 1. 0 plus 1 1, but we added here NOT gate, means 0 0 0 equals to A plus B whole bar, and this NAND gate is equals to AB bar. So this is total information about universal gates, that is NAND gate and NOR gate. Now let me move into next topic, that is special gates. First one, XOR. It means exclusive OR gate. The we can write XOR here like this also. The symbol of XOR is this, equals to A bar B plus A B bar. We can write as A XOR B. Now we have to write truth table. A, B and Y. Here when we take inputs A is 0, B is 0, then here we have the formula of A bar B, means A bar B means A 1, A is 0 means A bar means 1, B 0 plus A 0 into B bar 1. 0 into 1 0 plus 0 into 1 0. So output is 0. When we take 0 1, A bar means 1, B is 1 plus A 0, B B bar. So 1 plus 0 means 1, 1 0. Same reverse operation, 1 1 0. From the truth table, it is defined as if inputs are different, then the output is 1 high. If inputs are same, then the output is 0. Same second gate, XNOR. XNOR we can write as exclusive NOR gate also. Exclusive NOR gate. So XNOR is equals to A XNOR B, and symbol is A B and Y equals to A bar B bar plus AB. Okay, truth table. Wait, I can A, B, Y. Okay. Here the inputs 0, 0, then the output is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. And this exclusive OR operation is reverse operation of XOR gate. If the inputs are same, then the output is high. If the inputs are different, output is low. So this is total about special gates. From beginning, let me see again. Gates, basic gates. The definition of gate is defined as it is an electronic circuit which has number of inputs. We can give any number of inputs, but we have only one output. We get only one output. That is called definition of gate. And these gates are classified into basic gates, universal gates, and special gates. The basic gates are AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, and universal gates are NAND gate and NOR gate, and these special gates are XOR gate and XNOR gate. Now the AND gate. This is the symbol of AND gate, and this is the truth table of AND gate, and here Y is equals to AB. And next, move on to next gate, OR gate. This is the OR gate symbol, and this is the truth table of OR gate. Here Y is equals to A plus B. It is an addition operation. And the next NOT gate, it is also called as inverter. If we give any input, then the output is complemented of input. So this is the truth table of NOT gate. And let we move on to universal gates. This is the universal gates, NAND gate and NOR gate. This NAND gate, it is a combination of AND gate and NOT gate. And this is the symbol of NAND gate. And this is the reverse operation of AND gate. And this is the truth table. In this truth table, if all the inputs are zero, if all the inputs are high, then the output is low. And next, NOR gate. The NOR gate is a combination of OR gate and NOT gate, and it is the reverse operation of OR gate. In truth table, if all the inputs are zeros, means all the inputs are low, then the output is high. And then move on to next special gates. This is the symbol of XOR gate, and it is also called as exclusive OR gate. And this is the formula for exclusive OR gate, and this is the truth table of exclusive OR gate. This, if the two inputs are different, means one input is 0 and another input is 1, then the output is high. Then move to XOR gate. This is the symbol of XOR gate, and it is the reverse operation of XOR gate. This is a truth table of XNOR gate. So we add only one inverter here. So this is the reverse operation of XOR gate. Okay, if we give two inputs as same, then the output is high. Thank you everyone.